Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character ke step by step. I will write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write ke. Ke division. Branch. Rules. For example, 商科 business studies. Business studies. Now check this sentence. The business remains the most popular field of study. 商科仍然是最受欢迎的学科。The business remains the most popular field of study. "商科仍然是最受欢迎的 the most popular 欢迎的学科。商科仍然是最受欢迎的学科。The business remains the most popular field of study. My daily handwriting on the character ke. Ke division. Branch. Rules. 商科 business studies. The business remains the most popular field of study. 商科仍然是最受欢迎的学科。科 Please comment any words or sentence with the character ke. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.